In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a Google Docs file directly from your browser. This is a super handy trick to streamline your workflow, especially when collaborating with others or sending important documents quickly. First things first, you'll want to make sure that your file is completely finished and all the necessary edits have been made. This helps ensure that what you're sending is final and ready for others to view. Once you're confident in your work, let's get started by looking towards the top left corner of your Google Docs interface. You'll notice a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This tab acts as the gateway to various options pertaining to your document. Once you've clicked File, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of choices. Among these options, look for Email. Clicking on Email will further unfold into additional options. You'll want to select Email this file. This is the step where you configure the setting to send your document straight from Google Docs. Next, you'll land on a page where you'll need to specify the recipient's email address. Be sure you enter the correct email address. A slight mistake here can send your document to an unintended recipient, so always double check to make sure the email is typed accurately. You will also notice a field labeled Message. This is optional, but a great way to add context about your document. Whether it's a simple greeting or an explanation about the content, adding a personal message can be helpful for the recipient in understanding what to expect from your file. In the same window, you'll be given a choice of file type. This allows you to select how your document will appear when it's received. Depending on the recipient's preference or compatibility, you could choose PDF, Word, or even plain text. It's good to consider what format would be most useful for them. Now that you have everything set up, go ahead and look for the Send button. Clicking it will initiate the sending process. Everything you've set up, from the email address to the optional message and file type, will be executed. And there you have it. Just a few clicks and your document is well on its way to your colleague, friend, or whoever needs to receive it. With this straightforward method, you can ensure that your important documents are shared efficiently and without hassle. Remember, this workflow not only saves time, but also keeps your collaborative efforts running smoothly. Be sure to subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks that make everyday tasks easier. Thanks for watching,